Here's how to get Mecca's Beach Vacation Kit look. I start with pencil under the eyes. We used a neutralizer in dark peachy pink. I'm blending it in. Then I'm using the face pencil 19 and 18 on her skin to even it out, and a little bit of Almond What the Foundation just to really make her skin look even and glowing. A little bit of tinted face powder in medium under her eyes, dark on her skin, and then a smoky brown eyeshadow that goes on the lid, not too dark, a black pencil lining the eye, layered on Just a Second bronze, and then I love this, that you just add a little bit of sparkle wash in bronze on top, couple coats of mascara. The eyes really stand out, and then the mini Miracle Balms, Miami Beach, and Pink Champagne. They look so good together. They're great on the cheeks, they're great on the lips, and then I'm ending with a little bit of Pink Gold Shimmer and Cool Gloss. Many of the products are in the kit. Some you could use it with the ones in your drawer.